All right, for number 8, okay, we're talking about compound interest. So the equation that we are going to use, it's going to be this one. It is this one because we are going to collect interests more than once a year. In this case, for number 8, it is 4 times a year. If the percent is 8 for one whole year, that means each time you're collecting 2%. Okay, and we will see the 2% by doing this. 0.08, 1 plus 0.08 over 4. That's how you see the 2%. And again, that's a rate. That will give you the balance after each time you collect your interest. And how many times you collect interest over 10 years? 4 times 10. That many times, 40 times total. So this is how you understand the meaning of the exponent. You don't just plug in numbers and say, all right, I plug in numbers, let's just use a calculator to do it. You need to understand why those numbers are there. Okay. So you go ahead and then use the calculator and say 4,000 times 1 plus 0.08 divided by 2. And then you raise to the power of a total of 40. Then you would get 19204. That's pretty good. 19204. That many dollars. Did I type anything wrong?
Yes.
Oh, sorry, my bad. I was like, that's pretty sweet. 4,000 times 1. Oh, I was thinking 0.02, but then distractions. Oops. Now is good. That makes more sense. Okay. So I was like, the number goes a little bit too large. Now, so the earlier equation, that would be compounded semi-annually for a total of 20 years. That would be 19,000. But for 40, that for 4 times a year, for a total time of 10 years, you only get 8,832. 8,832 dollars and 16 cents. I was like, that's a pretty sweet deal. Where do I get those extra money? Yes. Every 3 months. You divide the year by 4. Every 3 months. Okay, so you have 4 quarters in a year. Yeah, you have 4 quarters in a year. So divided by 4. Okay. All right. So it's a simple one, number 8. Okay. You make sure you understand what it means by quarterly. That means 4 times a year. So you divide the rates by 4, and then over 10 years, you collect interest a total of 40 times. That's why your exponents end up being 40. Compound interest, meaning that every single time you are being awarded some interest, it's based on the most recent balance, not your initial deposit amount. Okay. If we use the initial deposit amount, that will be known as a simple interest. Okay, this is a compound interest.